Welcome to Christie's Adventures. My family and I travel to breathtaking destinations, explore hidden gems, and experience the great outdoors. Whether it's off-roading in our Bronco, aka Bucky, boondocking in our RV, hiking stunning trails, or discovering the best swimming spots, we're here to share the adventure with you. If you love travel, outdoor adventures, and family fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out. Hey friends, welcome to Christie's Adventures. I cannot wait any longer. I ordered some stuff for Bucky on Amazon and we have been having extreme temperatures in the negatives with the wind chill and everything. Like even without the wind chill, we've been in the negatives. So I'm bundled up a little bit and I'm gonna try to get this done as quick as I can because it is cold up in here. At least we're kind of in like a heat wave, just kidding. I think it's in the 20s right now, so that's a lot warmer than what it's been. So I decided to come out and install what I purchased on Amazon. I believe these are my back seat ones, and then the ones for the front are right here. So getting rid of this. I liked it at first, but it's just gotten so stretchy and it doesn't hold our Stanleys. So I'm hoping these that I ordered will hold our Stanleys. So I'm a little nervous about it. The back ones aren't as bad because the kids don't put stuff in it as much. So still kind of a little bit, but I think it will be a lot better having hard plastic instead of this material. I don't know. I am just going to get this done as quickly as I can. So hopefully I grabbed the right size screwdriver. I don't know. Might need some light in here. No, I did not. And it is a special kind of... So I had to get the tool kit out of the back of the Bronco. Because I love the case that all the tools come in. Like it's just made so well. I believe this is the one that I need. Let's see. Yes, this works. Oh my goodness. Always have to drop it. Oh my goodness. It fell under my car, of course. It couldn't just fall right down on the ground. Don't want to drop this again, guys. It's a long one. Some people say they leave the net in it. I guess I would if my net was not all super stretched out, because how bad it is, we can't even hold anything in this one. Our Stanleys just fall out. So I'm really hoping my Stanleys will fit in the new plastic ones. Because if not, your girl's going to be buying a different one. Because I love my Stanleys. And my Stanleys are worth trying to find a right size drink holder for the door. You know, in the pictures, it showed a pretty good size water bottle. So I'm hoping we're going to be a-okay. Ooh, I cannot wait for it to warm up, guys. So tomorrow, hubby and I are going to the DMV because we have to get a special star card for one of our trips. I mean, we really don't need it for this upcoming flight, but we will need it when we do our cruise and flying for that one. So, plus we need to still get our passports for the cruise, which we've been putting off. This is all I'm doing. Don't drop it again. Okay, got them all. That should just pop right off. There we go. Now you guys can really see. Look at that. Like how stretched out, like my whole hand in it. So yeah, see? That was not working out. So now, get these ones. And of course, oh, lucky grab, guys. Oh, I have to go grab my Stanley. I think it's going to work. I can't believe the first one I grabbed was actually for this side. That never happens. Never that lucky. Should I play the lotto? So now, oh, this is dusty. I am super curious. I'm just going to hand tighten 2 of them to get them even on here. You guys, I'm excited. I think my Stanley is going to work in this. Oh. Might leave the netting in for the kids one. Before I tighten it all the way, I want to get all these screws in. I think I am going to go grab my light so you guys can see better. I'll be back. So guys, I had to grab my Stanley and see if it fits. Look how nice that looks. I only got 2 screws in it, so hopefully. Yes, it fits. I will definitely be linking these in my description and in my comments to show you guys where I got it, so you guys can order them, because look at that. That is a good fit. Still some room too. Oh, I am so excited. I think these are going to be a lot better. I am a little bit worried about leg room. So once I get it all screwed in, I'm going to see if it hits our legs when I'm sitting in the seat. I don't think it will, because when I had my Stanley in the net one, it never hit my leg. So I think we'll be good. Oh, and I also grabbed my light, so there's better lighting. Because it's just a wee bit dark in here. And I'm going to speed this part up so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me screw all these in. Because with my cold hands, it's taking a hot minute. But it's not hot, it's cold. So a cold, slow minute. And cue the music. Guys, doesn't that look good? Ooh, I'm so excited. Set that there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is like perfect. Doesn't that look good? Oh, that is so much better. Why didn't I buy these sooner? Oh my gosh. I don't know how long the sale will be available, but I got $10 off each set, the front and the back. And of course it came with 2. That was a good deal. Now I'm going to do the passenger side, and then I'll move to the back seats and chill back there with you guys. Totally kidding, but I am going to go back there. Welcome to the passenger seat of Bookie. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm being like super corny. But I'm just so happy that these work. Oh my gosh. And they're made really nice. Like, I like the rivets, the little accent to it. A little bit of detail. So I do Uber on the side, and sometimes I have to pick up McDonald's orders. And sometimes I get, oh, I don't know how to say this where I'm not going to sound rude. So I'm going to try to say this as nice as I can, but sometimes I get riders that don't smell the best. And then sometimes I don't smoke. So sometimes I will come and pick up people and they're literally smoking outside and then get right in my car and it just, oh, that is kind of irritating. I'm not going to lie. It stinks so bad. So I literally went to the store after one ride that, oh my God, that smelled heavy cigarettes. Went and bought Febreze. As you can see, it's like falling through. So yeah, this one is going to keep Febreze. Look how nice that looks. I am so excited. I cannot get the Febreze out one-handed. Sorry, guys. It's like stuck in the little... Smell good. Didn't want to spray you guys. I'm going to fast forward this so you guys are not bored watching me take these things out. So now, cue the music. I hope you guys are still watching. Now cue the music again. This is how easy it is. Just slides it up. There's like little groovies that these hooked into. But boy, it's dirty. I probably should have grabbed a towel. But she's a Bronco. She ain't supposed to be 100% pretty, even though she is gorgeous. Now, time to put the new one on. It even has like a rubber. I didn't notice it on the other one, but there's like a rubber soft. Oh, that is nice. And you ready? Let's cue the music and feet up. For some reason, this one was a little bit tougher to get started. It's probably because I'm freezing and my hands are numb, but it did not want to stay put so I could screw these in. Would have been a lot faster if I would have put the drill together, but I don't know if my husband has this exact size. And of course, this came with the Bronco. That one's done. Look at the Febreze. Bam. It's easy to grab when it smiles up in here. I need some coffee. So cold. My nose is getting red. So let's move to the back, guys. Don't fall. I'll be right back. I had to get these. Now these ones are smaller, so I don't know if my daughter's Stanley will fit. Ooh, I don't think my daughter Stanley's gonna fit, but she can sit it next to her. It's fine. Yeah, I don't know. Or Stanley might fit. I don't know. Wait, this one doesn't have... This one doesn't have the screws shown. Look at that. So maybe this just pops off? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. I am going to have to go inside, as I don't have my phone with me, to see how to install these ones in the back. They fit, they all match up, but there's no screw holes. And see what I need to do to get this one on. And I might warm up a little bit too, because your girl is freezing. I don't know how people camp during the wintertime. Do winter camping. I can't do it. I cannot wait to finish organizing this garage. We started doing it in fall. Like, it started to get chilly a little bit, but we literally just, instead of trying to organize better, we just threw stuff on the shelf just because we were getting cold and we were done with it. But we still have a lot of stuff to go through. That was my parents. So I am not going to be putting the back panels in right now. And I'm going to show you guys why, because it is just way too cold right now for it. And the back ones, they're not bad at all. Like, they're not stretched out. But I literally have to remove this whole door panel and remove it from the other side. I don't know why they did that. That is so weird. So these ones are going back in the box, and it's going to be a different video. So I'm still going to go ahead and upload this one because I did like how the front turned out and it looks so good. And I'm cold. It's way too cold to be doing all of that work, taking all this off. It didn't look hard at all. It's just the time, and it's cold. So this probably will not be done until springtime when it's warmer in the garage, because right now it's just like I'm starting to shiver, and I've only been out here for like 2 or 3 minutes, if that. So yeah, it's too cold for that. Bummerooski. Oh, I'm so bummed, guys. That would have looked so good. Here's the front again. Look how good that looks. I really, really like it. And there's the other one. Oh, I'm so bummed. Well, I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. Me freezing. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's cold. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the freezing video of me freezing cold. Just kidding. But if you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments of what you guys would like to see next done to Bucky Girl. Because of course the hubby and I have quite a few things that we want to get done. Pay to get done, and then my husband's going to install some of the stuff. So if you like these install videos, go ahead and check out my other video of installing the lights on Bucky. I will put that right here, and I'll also put in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another fun update. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.